Konnichiwa, Uta-san. Today, I'd like to talk about chapter 4 and 5 directions and yoku dekimashita. Both 4 and 5 are important in giving directions, and in 5 I saw that you were able to put what we learned in 4 and 5 together. So, yoku dekimashita. And there were a few points that we have to be careful. One, make sure you continue to bring down your sound, like ありがとうございます。まっすぐ行って右です。So, not です、ます。So in a way, I told Raymond-san maybe one way is you have to put your hand together down and purposely bring it down like this until you get really used to it. Then you can say まっすぐ行って右です。どうもありがとうございます。And when you say this as you bow, if you make the sound go down, it makes it formal. Also, in giving direction, the really key is remember that formula of destination. Where's your destination? Destination wa reference point no direction desu. So, destination, let's say we're going to the restaurant and we're talking about it, so the particle wa, restaurant wa, reference point, let's use the bank, ginko no, and then the direction, migi desu. So if we want to say the restaurant is to the right of the bank, restaurant wa ginko no migi gawa desu. Let's say the restaurant is in front of the bank. Restaurant wa ginko no mae desu. Let's change the reference point to a konbini, a convenience store. The restaurant is next doors to the convenience store. Restaurant wa konbini no tonari desu. And here I noticed there's two next to. Next doors to each other is tonari. So, like McDonald's is next to the bank. McDonald's wa ginko no tonari desu. So, tonari is next to, like that kind of next doors, and next person, next in line, that next is tsugi. So, tsugi desu. Tsugi no kata douzo, next person. The next bus, tsugi no bus desu. That next is tsugi. So the next corner is tsugi no kado. But when you want to say next to the corner, or next to the restaurant, next to the elevator, the phone is next to the elevator, denwa wa elevator no, let's say next to, let's say not the phone, but let's say the restroom, otearai, bathroom. The restroom is next to the elevator. Otearai wa elevator no tonari desu. So those were some of the points to be careful, and the difference between tori and dori. Tori is street, and when that street or road name is combined with like King Street, Ala Moana, the tori changes to dori. So Ala Moana Boulevard would be Ala Moana Dori. Kalakaua Avenue would be Kalakaua Dori. The D sound, D-O-O-R-I. But when you say go straight on this road without a name, この通りをまっすぐ行ってください. And another question that came up was, what if you're inside the hotel and there's no road? Then we would say go straight here. And here, こちら, there, そちら, and way over there, あちら So go straight over here こちらをまっすぐ行ってください So go straight here and turn right over there こちらをまっすぐ行ってあちらを右に曲がってください So I hope now that you're a little comfortable with the directions, please continue to use this in your daily life. And then now we're ready to go on to chapter 6, which is shopping, 買い物, and bigger numbers with the prices. Then after that is our midterm production. And I waited till after the vacation for this so that you have time to think, and I'll be sending you messages. And one of the best ways for midterm prep is there will be midterm reviews that have been made by our previous semester, 2 semesters ago, students. And this will be on TV. And the TV course is optional, but it will really help you to kind of review what we've been doing. So when you have a chance, take a look on the TV, Tuesday, Thursday, 4:15 to 5:30, and Sundays 8:30 to 11 a.m. and it's on cable 55. So 見てください. Take a look, and I'll see you, I hope, next week at the International Festival, 12 to 2. I'll be there on Wednesday, 水曜日. I really hope I can see you in person. And after that, it's 春休み, spring vacation. And perhaps maybe I'd like to invite all of you to my house maybe after the spring break. And I hope I can see you in person. どうもありがとうございます。